tuk-tuk, they are telling us it's 500 bob, and Uber, it's 310 Uber chap chap. So we're going to order the Uber chap chap because it's cheaper for us. How much food is it?
It's cold for a summer night. I text you, I'm sorry.
Good morning, guys. How are you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka mtoto wa Homa Bay Kati. So I had a very interesting weekend and I decided I should share it with you guys. So on Saturday we went to Frontline Institute in Kawendani for cake tasting. They do this School of Culinary Arts. Why, I hope I pronounced that right. So they bake cakes and everything. They teach people. We had the opportunity to go and taste what their students make, and I must say I loved their cakes. So in this order, I love the chocolate cake, then the carrot, then the vanilla cake, and then the lemon. Though when I got home, because they gave us some cake to carry back home, I fell in love with the vanilla cake because it was so sweet. They did such a great job. So I'm just going to insert a clip here for you guys. They had the pina colada juice. Who, if you thought pina colada ice cream was good, you haven't had pina colada juice. Their juice was really cold and nice. I love it. After that, we went to Rongai. We were supposed to go to the Leleshwa Getaway wine tasting, and this is what happened. 50 tuk-tuk, they are telling us it's 500 bob, and Uber, it's 310 Uber chap chap. So we're going to order the Uber chap chap because it's cheaper for us. How much food is it? We couldn't get an Uber to take us there. It was late. It was around 5 p.m. We couldn't get an Uber to take us there. They had said that the event was running from 11 a.m. till late, and we figured 5 p.m. wasn't late yet, and we tried ordering the Ubers. The Ubers canceled on us. There were tuk-tuks there that were taking people there. They were charging 500 bob. We compared 500 bob to Uber's 310 bob. We were like, we're going to take an Uber. But when the Uber guys canceled on us 4 times, we decided, you know what, we're going to tour Rongai, and that is what we did. We ended up at Bay Place.
Stay high for the most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your climb. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know yet. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. just escape for a moment. Dry